Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Car Place in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this lovely Volkswagen Polo. So this vehicle has 15-inch alloy wheels, there's front and rear parking sensors. Inside the car you've got heated front seats. The touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this there's air conditioning, automatic headlights, and you get a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1 litre petrol engine that gives you 94 horsepower. It's done under 11,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Car Place in Yeovil. Thank you.